This is how to schedule recurring meetings on Zoom. Open the Zoom app and sign in. You land on the Home tab, click Schedule in the top right. That opens the Schedule Meeting window. Type the meeting topic in the topic field. I'll use Monday Teams Stand-Up. This is what people see in the calendar invite and the reminder emails, so be specific. Now check the box labeled Recurring Meeting. This is the one people miss, and then they end up recreating the meeting every week. The Recurrence section appears right below. Open the Recurrence dropdown. You'll see daily, weekly, monthly, and no fixed time. No fixed time is for office hours, not a regular meeting. Choose weekly. The window expands with date checkboxes. Tick Monday and leave repeat every at 1 week. Now move down to the end date section. I'm going to choose after and type 12 in the occurrences box. That gives you about 3 months of weekly meetings. If you have a hard finish date, choose by and pick that date instead. I avoid no end date because the series just keeps running and somebody forgets to cancel it. The security section is next. Leave the passcode on. I also changed the waiting room setting. For internal teams, I turn waiting room off because otherwise you have to admit everyone manually every single week. For clients or students, leave it on. Now the video section. Set host video to on and participant video to off. That gives you a clean start instead of a wall of cameras. Participants can still turn their video on once they're in. Then the audio section. Leave telephone and computer audio checked. If you enable only one, you cut off people who can't use the other. Click Save. Zoom takes a second to create the series. The meeting invitation window opens with the join link and passcode. Close that window. Now click Meetings in the left sidebar. You'll see Monday Teams Stand-Up with a small repeat icon next to it. That icon is your confirmation that the recurrence actually saved. If the repeat icon is missing, the recurring checkbox did not stick. If you need to change the series later, click the meeting name, then click Edit. Choose Edit All Occurrences. Any change you make there hits every week, not just the next one. Cancel out of that for now. The original invitation is the one that carries the whole series. Click Copy Invitation, send that link to people, not the individual meeting link. The individual link only points at one date. If this helped, hit like and subscribe and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.